Hey guys, this is a product review for the Augason Farms banana chips. This is a huge canister and you can see what the banana chips look like. So they're pretty thick. They're very, very crunchy, super crunchy, and really sweet. So they're just a really delicious snack. I absolutely love these. You could add some of these into trail mix very easily. They just tasted great. So this would be great for camping, backpacking, hiking, or maybe just throwing some in a gym bag. Yeah, they tasted awesome. This is a moisture packet. What's cool about these canisters is they come sealed like this, so you have to use a can opener to open them up. And when they're sealed, the banana chips have a 10-year shelf life. I did also get strawberry, some sliced strawberries similar to this, and that one had a 30-year shelf life, so you do want to check each can. But these are great for having emergency food in the basement, just having plenty of food ready to go that people can snack on. Once you open it up, it does have this plastic top, so this can stay in the pantry for quite a while. Yeah, I thought they were super delicious, really tasty. There's something kind of fun about them. They're really satisfying as like a normal chip replacement and also as like a candy replacement because they had so much sweetness. So I really thought this was a great alternative snack. And then I think these would work really well in baking too, for like sweetening up some muffins or something like that, adding them to oats. Yeah, they're really solid. I would, if you're a banana fan, I would absolutely pick some up and give these a try. This is a really cool thing to know about, and to have as like a go-to snack that you can always grab a big handful of.